Guys, we're running away from our dogs. This will be mental. So, if you're thinking he's my brother, no, he's just my friend. I'll come back when we find him. Help me! I feel we've got them. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Caleb!
Let me in.
Go away. Phew. That's a close one. Frankie! Frankie Molly! Frankie Molly! Frankie Molly!
They're shocking it.
What the hell? How did he get in?
How? How can we break in here? Oh my god, so close.
Look how close he is. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh my god, that's amazing. Then I'm just like this. I am the one. Oh! Freaking hell.
Oh, don't let them touch you.
I'm right behind one. And there's one right behind me. Dog tick. Frankie Molly. Frankie Molly. Frankie Molly. Frankie Molly. Frankie Molly. I'm in the bathtub. Don't let anyone find me. I'll be back. I'll be back.